Hello children, hope you all are fine. So children, I am Miss Angeline and today I will teach you lessons 23, 25, 27 and 28 from your GK book of class 2. In my last video, I taught lessons 21, 22 and 24 from your GK book. I hope you all might have understood clearly. So children, let's start new lesson today. That is lesson number 23, popular games. So children, here on this page we can see 4 pictures of popular games. First is hockey. First one is hockey. Then tennis, badminton and football. Now let's find out what is written about these popular games. Hockey is the national game of India. 2 teams try to hit the ball into the goal with a curved stick. So children, always remember that hockey is the national game of India. Okay? Tennis is played by 2 to 4 players with a racket and a ball. The player or team that wins more sets of games is the winner. Understood children? Then badminton is played by 2 to 4 players with a racket and a shuttlecock. Players hit the shuttlecock with their rackets. We all love to play badmintons, isn't it? And the last one is football. Football is the world's most popular sport. It is played by 2 teams. The players try to kick the ball into the other team's goal. So children, football is the world's most popular sport. Okay children? So children, in step further, there is a question, and what is that? Name a pair of famous siblings, children of the same parents, who play the same sport. So children, in tennis, we have 2 sisters, Serena Williams and Venus Williams. Sorry, I mispronounced. It is Serena Williams and Venus Williams. Then in cricket, we have 2 brothers, Shane Lee and Brett Lee. And in cricket, we have 2 brothers from India, Irfan and Yusuf Pathan. Okay children, understood this lesson? Now let's go to lesson 25, fun with animals. Guess the animals from their shadow and find their names in the grid below. So children, here you have to look very carefully to each shadow given on this page, and you have to find the names in the grid given below. So you have to search names of the animals. Okay children? So this is very easy and interesting, and you all will enjoy doing this lesson. So this lesson you have to do yourself. Okay children? So children, now let's go to lesson number 27, that is solar system. Now let's see what is written over here. 8 planets move around the sun in our solar system. Write down their names. Children, on this page we can't see all planets, so we can go to next page. Yes, so here we can see there are so many planets. Let's find out how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, how many planets do we have? We have 8 planets. Okay? And we can see that the sun is in the center of the solar system. Okay children? We can see that the sun is in the center of the solar system. The only planet with life is Earth. So children, among all planets, our Earth where we live is the only planet with life. Okay children? So now let's go to second number, the biggest planet. So children, among all these planets, which planet is looking biggest? See the picture? Yes, it is. Which one? This one. So children, Jupiter is the biggest planet. Okay. Now let's go to the third number, the tilted planet. Tilted means bent or lean. So here, which planet is tilted or looking like in a position that is not straight? So children, we can see that Uranus is that planet which is tilted. So our tilted planet is Uranus. Okay. Now let's go to fourth number. And what is that? The innermost planet. Innermost planet means which planet is closest to the sun, very near. We can see this. Which planet is the closest to sun? We can see that this is Mercury. So our innermost planet is Mercury. Okay children? So children, now let's go to question number 5. The planet with most number of rings. Rings, your rings means this one. So children, we can see that Saturn is the only planet with more than one ring. And do you know it may be around 5 to 1000 rings. Okay, in between 500 to 1000 rings. And sixth number, the coldest planet is Neptune. The hottest planet is Venus. And this one, eighth one, the red planet. So children, here we can see that Mars, among all planets, Mars is the only one which is looking red. So the red planet is Mars. Our answer is Mars. Okay. So now let's go to the last part of this chapter. Sounds interesting. Thousands of years people did not know about the solar system and believed that the earth was at the center of the universe and everything rotates around our earth. But later, finally they came to know that our solar system looks like this. So children, our lesson 27 is over. Now let's go to lesson 28, fun with letters. And this is another interesting and very easy fun game of letter. So I hope you all will find it easy to answer. Okay children? And yes, you all will do yourself. And in case you don't get answers, then you can see the video again. Okay children? So thank you and take care children. Do all the lessons, that is your lesson 23, 25, 27 and 28 without seeing the video and try to do yourself. Okay children? Thank you and take care.